Hello, I'm Shannon Butler, functional medicine certified health coach and muscle response testing practitioner, here to explain what exactly muscle response testing is and what you can expect from a muscle response testing appointment. Muscle response testing is rooted in the autonomic nervous system. So you have your spinal column and you have nerves that are running as a connection point between your brain and your organs, where your brain and your organs are always communicating back and forth to make sure that your body's doing its job and functioning properly. Likewise, you also have a branch of nerves running from your organs to a point on your skin called a dermatome. And it's actually by touching these points on the skin, the dermatomes that are connected to certain organs, that we're able to begin to assess what organs are functioning properly and what organs are in need of support. The test is usually done by having a patient put their arm out in front of them, or if they're laying down, to stick their arm up in the air, and we use their arm as what we call a muscle indicator. So the arm is extended and we apply a gentle amount of pressure. So as the practitioner applies pressure, the patient is instructed to match the practitioner's pressure. So it's actually a very gentle amount of pressure being used. But essentially, what's going on is the brain is making this connection. The brain is saying, okay, yeah, we're matching pressure. Now, this is all fine and well until we touch an organ or a place in the body that is stressed, and the brain will rush energy to try to protect that organ. And so your brain's actually always trying to make a decision as we're doing this test. What's more important? Is this putting pressure, matching pressure with my arm more important, or is it more important to draw attention to this stressed organ? So if the organ is healthy, the point that we touch associated with that specific organ, if it's healthy and it's strong, then the arm will stay strong. But if this is a part of the body that's saying, actually, there's something going on here, I'm stressed, I need attention, then that's where the energy will flow to and your arm then will drop. So once we determine the organ or organs that are dealing with the most stress, we try to figure out what exactly is causing stress to those organs. And so we have these stressor kits, and they have the frequency or the electromagnetic frequency signature of all these different stressors in our environment. So we have the frequency of metals, of chemicals, of foods, or different pathogens that could be causing stress to your body. And so everything resonates at its own individual frequency. So for example, grass resonates at a different frequency than flowers. When it comes to food, milk resonates at a different frequency than soy, and so on. And so we have each individual frequency of these different stressors. When we hold them up to your body will start indicating, it will resonate, it will let us know that that frequency is inside the body causing stress when we hold that stressor up to the body. Once we know specifically what is causing the body stress, we can then start to figure out what kind of nutrition or support your body needs to detox the thing that's causing your body to not function properly, and then also offer the most stressed organs the very best support. And so we have all these supplements, different supplement lines, and just a wide range of supplements and combinations and synergistic formulas, because everybody's body is different. We are bio-individual. And so we start narrowing down and trying to figure out specifically what is going to work for your body. And so we will start pulling things that detox, what if it's a metal, or if it's a certain food you're struggling to digest and get through your system. We start narrowing down what your body needs to detox and what kind of support your body needs to operate optimally. So, what can you expect at your first appointment? Well, it starts out like most appointments do. You will fill out an intake form before you come in, and when you arrive, the first thing we do is we go through it. We do a deep dive into your health and your whole health history and the symptoms you're experiencing, and just really take as deep and detailed of a look as possible what is going on with your health. Because in addition to the test that we run here, we also look at lifestyle and perhaps some dietary changes that make sense for you, or maybe some things that would benefit you in terms of your exercise or movement or sleep habits. We really just take a genuine holistic view of your health and take all factors in to be sure we're giving you the best protocol for a better quality of life. So, who benefits from having muscle response testing done? Really, anybody can benefit from having muscle response testing done. We can do muscle response testing on babies. We can do it on grandparents. Any age person can have this test done. And we see a wide range of different kinds of illnesses and symptoms. So some people want to be seen for digestive issues or seasonal allergies, migraines, chronic fatigue, anxiety, depression, really any symptoms that you are dealing with. We can begin to evaluate the body and see what's going on and offer the body support to hopefully give you a better quality of life. Hopefully this video started answering some of your questions about muscle response testing, or perhaps it piqued your interest and you'd like to schedule an appointment. If you want to find out more, you can visit my website, functionalmedwellness.com. Thanks for watching.